You want to start a YouTube channel, but don't want to show your face? Good news, you don't have to. Thousands of creators are earning income anonymously with faceless YouTube channels. And today, I'm going to show you 5 channel ideas you can start right now. Let's dive in. Faceless channel idea number 1. AI voiceover explainers use ChatGPT to write scripts on trending topics. Turn them into videos with tools like Pictory and ElevenLabs. No talking. No recording. Just plug and play automation. Popular niches for this include finance, motivation, health, and business. You can monetize with ads, affiliate links, and sponsorships. Faceless channel idea number 2. Relaxing sounds and lo-fi. These channels create 2 to 10 hour loops of ambient sounds. Rain, white noise, ocean waves, or chill music. You don't need a mic, just royalty-free sound libraries and some visuals. Upload regularly. Optimize your titles for sleep, study, or focus. And you're good to go. Some creators make thousands monthly with one viral video. Faceless channel idea number 3. Top 10 and fact channels. Think. Top 10 side hustles. 5 crazy facts about billionaires. 10 things you didn't know about money. Use ChatGPT for facts and scripting. Use stock footage or AI video tools to illustrate. Add an AI voice or background music. These videos are shareable and highly clickable. Faceless channel idea number 4. Animated stories. You can use tools like Animaker, Toonly, or Doodly to animate fictional stories. Or tell true stories in a creative way. People love storytelling, and with animation, you can stay 100% anonymous. This niche has very loyal audiences, perfect for growth and long-term income. Faceless channel idea number 5. Quote channels and motivation. These videos combine famous quotes, AI voiceovers, and royalty-free music. Great for reels, shorts, and long-form videos alike. It's super easy to scale. Create 10 to 15 quote reels in a few hours. Upload them daily to build momentum and watch time. Bonus tips for faceless channel success. Pick a niche and stick to it. Post 2 to 3 times a week for 60 days. Use titles that are curiosity-driven. And always focus on retention, keep people watching. You don't need a studio. You don't need a fancy mic. You don't even need your face. You just need a system and consistency. So which idea are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more faceless channel ideas and income tips, subscribe to this channel. This is Wealth Pilot, helping you build income the smart way.